Let's record this.
Ma, look.
Yeah. Oh, where that lady is telling her right there, so she's gonna make her the sun shining like a young man. That's the way God do. That's what he do. He said, I need to bring a fresh wind in here. Y'all think I'm playing? It definitely flew from somewhere I wanted. Wait a minute. It flew back. It flew from right there. It flew off somebody. That's all I got to say. It looked like one of these pieces like this. That's what it is. From like under there, but from GNC. It may be from down there by Aldi. You think so? You see this piece right here? The way this is here? Could that is either on the actual or one of these? Oh, you know what? Because they got they camera showing. I don't know. It might be it is probably off of these. There it goes. It came off of these two right here. See the GNC, the stick broke over there on that one right there? I'm gonna back up this way, Tristan. Tristan, turn this way. You hang out the window, Tristan.
I am.
I'm looking.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh, it's scraping the sand. You got show me on your phone? What's your phone? Show me.
Bro, guys, this is something I'll never forget in my life.
A major gas
This is
line
something I'll never forget.
Yeah. I
Bro,
kept
there's
telling
a
we were in the
major
store, and I said, I smell gas. They like, well, the air is on. I'm like, no, I smell gas. There's gas in the store.
We're out there video.
And
There's a
look, they
major
in here
gas
shopping,
leak, bro.
getting what they need. I'm like, okay, I'm going to go outside, and I'll meet y'all outside.
Dude, there's a major gas leak, bro. Bro, this is my first rough tornado, bro. This is crazy. Bro.
I told that girl, look, see, look, now she's leaving. The girl, I told
Tornado from right here. The tornado came right over.
Huh? George.
Gas leaks are dangerous.
Girl, you can't video me, girl. When I say George, we got stuff smack dab in the middle. Hold on, George. Hold on, George. Let ask you. Call back, George.
Bro,
I can't.
she was just asleep.
My phone is about to go dead.
She was just asleep. She was just asleep during the tornado. Oh, there's firefighters and everything, bruh.
Hold up.
Bro, there's even an ambulance.
Tracy, after the phone.
Bro, the ambulance even here, bruh. The ambulance. Bro, look.
Okay. We're in the middle of the tornado. Where the car? The police officers trying to move the debris and stuff, y'all. Right here over here by us. We was in right there in this stuff. Like sitting in the car. When we pulled up right here, all of that flew in front of us. She having a nervous thing. Which one? The one in black? Yeah, she was talking to us. Where her purse? They trying to pull the debris off her car. Her purse is on the white stuff? Oh no, the green truck is the green truck. It's the age plate. What's she at? What's she at?
You're right there.
Look, when that wind was blowing over us, we was in this thing saying, all of us saying, Jesus, 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 Jesus. I mean, the stuff was flying us all around the street. People
I walked out and I said, and the sun was shining. I said, God said, don't play with me.
Look at all this. Look at all that up there. They got the fire department is in. Oh, they closed that. Look at all of this stuff here. Look at all this debris. Look at all of this.
Oh, I need to go grocery shopping. I'm gonna go grocery shopping.
Oh, it's a cart.
Cards.
Where?
Cards.
Oh, cart. We know the cart. The cart over there.
Look at the plants, y'all.
Oh, look at the plants. Oh, them. Look at the plants. Oh, them some good plants. Look at
Got
them.
him.
Okay, yeah, them buckets was nice.
Oh, they broken. I see some of the broken stuff over here.
Wow.
They all broken up.
These folks still going in Walmart shopping.
They sure will. They too many out here.
And look, Aries, after all that crime, soon as that
Crazy.
Like Stanko mess. I bet you couldn't pay a nigga to get out of Sam's right now.
I hope all those animals are okay.
You said a CF5, the trees look.
See y'all.
And you know some
Y'all just